Today I'm going to show you how to crosshatch the shading on the cheeks. So how do I do the shading? First I start off with a sketch, of course, and to save some time I've already applied a layer of orange, and what I'm doing is just try to give it an even color, which in this case is going to be orange. The base is going to be orange. Try to be as light-handed as you can, as subtle as you can. For camera's sake, I'm not going to spin my paper. Okay, when you have your basic layer done, and I'm applying less pressure on the on this area because I want to leave this light as possible. Then I'm going to use this orange, which is a little darker, and I'm just going to apply a little more pressure so it gets a gradient, it becomes a gradient. So you see it becomes a little darker, and this is just with orange. I'm deciding which areas need to be darker, which areas need to be lighter. For the darker parts I have to apply more pressure, and for the lighter parts I don't apply pressure at all. So once I've done that, because she has these beautiful cheeks, the shading has to be applied underneath them. So in the sketch I've indicated where I want this cheek to be, so I'm going to apply a little red to it. As subtle as I can. Because I just want to indicate where I need it to be darker. So take your time to build it up. Just be patient, don't rush it. You will get the job done as long as you are patient. Patience, yes. So if you'd like, you can use a purple, a hot pink, because the reference photo is very reddish. This is basically how you build up your drawing. Decide which areas are going to be darker. So have fun.